So here we are going to discuss about the review menu in Microsoft itself. In this review menu, we have few commands like spelling, thesaurus. First of all, spelling is used to check the spelling of your worksheet. To run the spelling command, you can press F7 from your keyboard or click the spelling and grammar check here. It will check your spelling and grammars. Here it is giving us the name of someone like that. You can change it, you can ignore it by yourself. Next to that, we have the command thesaurus. Thesaurus means to look for the uh, synonym or antonym of something. For example, this word salesman. I want to write something else instead of salesman that has the same meaning. For that purpose, I will select that column and go to thesaurus. Here it says you can write sales guy and you can write sales boy also. There are two meanings for that. You can choose any of them. Next to that, we have workbook statistics. Workbook statistic will show us that end of the sheet is T53 cell number, cells with data are 1041, formulas are 765, and it shows me whole statistics of my workbook that I have worked upon in this sheet. Okay, next to that we have accessibility. This is about formatting. We have discussed it in the home menu, so I'm not going to discuss it right now. Next option is translate. Translate is used to translate Excel data into Urdu into any other language. For that purpose, you'll go to translate and you can choose the translator if you have internet connected on your worksheet. Like this, I'm going to translate that salesman to Urdu. What does it say? Now it is showing me it in Urdu form. Okay. You can translate the whole sheet also. Next option is new comment. Used to add a comment. For example, I'm going to add a comment on Ahmed Ali. I say he is a good salesman. I'm going to add comment over this. I say she is average. I'm going to add a comment on Gulrez. I say he is dull. Now you can see that there is a red symbol on commented cells. You can take your mouse and see the comment. If you click show all comments will be highlighted and shown on screen. If you click on the same button again, all comments will be hidden. Next comment will take you to the next comment. Previous comment will take you to the previous comment. Delete comment will erase that comment from the selected cell. It will not delete the data, it will delete only comment. Next option is protect sheet. Protect sheet is used to protect sheet. How to protect it? Let's click it. It has several options. Select lock data, select unlock data, format cells, format columns, format rows, insert columns, insert rows, insert hyperlinks, delete columns, delete rows, sorting, use autofilter, use pivot table, edit object, and edit scenarios. Okay. Now we have selected all the cell that we want to protect them from insertion, deletion, formatting, and every type of word. Now I'll apply a password on the top here. 123 will be my password. I will apply the password again 123, and now let's try to erase something. Excel will say that cell you are trying to change is protected. It cannot be changed. If you will try to write something new, it will not write anything on your sheet. So, if you try to change formatting of something, it will not change the formatting of that text. If you want to unprotect it, just click the same button again and provide your password. Our password was 123, so it is now unprotected. Next to that, we have option protect workbook. Protect workbook is also used to apply protection over your workbook. For that purpose, you will provide the password, you will confirm the password, and now right click on your sheet. You will see that insert, delete, rename, copy, every command is now hidden. Okay, if you want to unprotect it, just click the same button again and provide your password, and now right click on the sheet. You can see all these options are now on. This was about the review menu in Microsoft Excel.